Nigiri is a type of sushi that consists of a small ball of rice topped with a slice of raw fish or seafood. It is one of the most popular and traditional forms of sushi in Japan and around the world. Nigiri means hand-pressed in Japanese, because the rice is shaped by hand into an oval or rectangular form. The fish or seafood is usually raw, but sometimes cooked, and placed on top of the rice with a dab of wasabi. Some common types of nigiri are tuna, salmon, shrimp, eel, and octopus. Nigiri is usually served with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi on the side. You are here. Homer S. Nikirigen Sushi How to easily make nigiri at home for beginners. Nigiri sushi How to easily make nigiri at home for beginners. February 26, 2018 by Victoria. Jump to recipe print recipe. If you're familiar with sushi and all the usual maki rolls, it's time to take the next step with nigiri. Nigiri. In fact, in Japan most common sushi order would contain nigiri. Chefs were trained for years just to learn the balance of making nigiri, from molding, forming, and flavor pairing with topping. Just like maki, you can easily make nigiri at home, from fresh topping to simply what you have on hand. The rice for nigiri would be the same sushi rice that you would use for making maki. For toppings, they can be anything, from seafood like sweet shrimp, scallop, tuna, salmon then. There are things like omelet, kani, or tofu pouch. Basically anything work as sashimi will do. Japanese nigiri sushi. Typically when using fresh fish for nigiri toppings, chefs often dab a little bit of wasabi on their surfaces before applying until rice oblong. For other toppings, this can be skipped. However, garnish like pickled ginger, plum. Dekonari recommend? If you're not familiar or be confused about all of this, just start with a pack of imitation crab, kani. Just make sure to choose the longer crab leg style. Some toppings like crab, kani, egg often tied to sushi rice by a small strip of seaweed. Ingredients: 2 cups seasoned sushi rice. For a sashimi style fish sweet shrimp, omelette. Wasabi, tobiko masago, pickled ginger for garnishment. 1 cup water, 1 tsp rice vinegar. Instructions: prepare a small bowl of vinegar water solution 1 tsp vinegar for 1 cup of water. Use this to dip your hand. Slice your fish or topping of choice into 2.5 x 1 thin rectangle. Pluck some cooked sushi rice, about 25 grams. Have it in the middle of your left palm. Use your thumb to keep rice steady when applying pressure and mold sushi rice into oval, oblong shape. Dab a pea size of wasabi on a fish slice, then put the shaped rice on top. Gently squeeze your hand to fold them together. Repeat for more nigiri and serve them fresh.